There are 7 wrong money mindsets. Number 1, many people believe that financial education is only for the wealthy. But in IMG, we believe that financial education is for everyone po na gustong matuto. Number 2, many believe that solution to financial challenges is borrowing money. Nasanay po yung mga ibang Pilipino na kapag nagkaroon po sila ng emergency, ang solusyon po na naiisip nila is humiram po ng pera. Pangatlo, some even rely on luck. Marami pong mga kababayan natin ang umaasa po sa luck. Tumataya po sila sa loto or sa mga iba't ibang gambling games kasi umaasa sila na kapag sila po ay nanalo ay mababago ang kanilang buhay, which is a no-no po. Kailangan, kung gusto nating mabago yung ating buhay, kailangan po nating pagtrabahuan. Number 4, many people belong to a community of spenders who do not believe in preparing for their future. Kaya pipiliin po natin yung sasalihan po nating community. Kung sino po yung madalas nating kasama, yun po yung na-adapt po nating attitude po nila. Kung sila po ay palagastos ka na rin po. Kung sila naman po ay paralakwatsa or hindi pumapasok, magagaya na rin po tayo sa kanila. Kaya pipiliin po natin talaga yung sasamahan natin. Kung saan po tayo mag-grow, doon po tayo sumali. Number 5, many people use their credit cards as emergency funds. Lingid po sa kaalaman ng mga taong gumagamit po ng kanilang credit cards as emergency funds, hindi po nila iniisip yung mga hidden charges. Number 6, most people don't know how to manage their debts. Their debts manage them. Dahil sa sobrang dami na po ng kanilang pagkakautang, hindi na nila kayang i-manage. Number 7, loans and debts are accumulated rather than investments. Sa kaka-loan at kakautang, yun na po yung naiipon nila instead na makapag-ipon po sila ng kanilang mga investment po. Kaya kailangan po natin ng financial education. With financial education, you can face all those challenges. There is hope.